Let's pack 2 premium scoop for Arpita. 1, 2. Let's see what she got first. Four beads for claw clips. So I'm giving her 4 claw clips. 1 floral claw, 1 rectangular, 1 square and 1 small claw clip. 4 beautiful Korean claw clips. Then she got 1 bead for hot bag. So giving her this cute hot bag. This is very portable, easy to use. Then she got 5 beads for lipsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm giving her 4 lipsticks. And for variety, giving her 1 bracelet. This is the anti-tarnish bracelet. Then she got 2 cute pens. So giving her 2 cute pens. One is this cute cartoon character pen and the second one is this keychain cute pen. Then she got 3 charms for tumblers. So giving her 1 and 2 tumblers. 1 glass tumbler along with 1 big tumbler. And for variety, adding 1 set of makeup brushes as she got 3 tumblers. Then she got 2 beads for nails. So giving her 2 nails. One is this cute cartoon character nails and second one is this. Then she got 1 bead for jewelry box. So I'm adding this jewelry box. Then she got 1 bead for bookmark. So adding 1 bookmark to her. So this is magnetic bookmark I'm giving to her. Then she got 3 beads for hand towel. So let's give her 2 hand towels. And this hand towel comes along with wall sticker that you can stick and hang these towels easily. So giving her 2 hand towels and 1 beaded bracelet so she can got more variety. And 2 beads for makeup brushes. So as I'm already added her makeup brushes, so let's give her 1 pocket mirror. It comes along with comb and 1 eye mask. I'm giving her this cute, beautiful pink eye mask. Then she got 1 handbag. So giving her this cute purple handbag. And this has a surprise. This handbag has a chain. You can also use it as a shoulder bag. Then she got 1 bead for pocket mirror. So as I'm given already a pocket mirror, I'm adding a coconut sheet mask for variety. So she can got all the varieties in 2 scoop orders. And now it's time for freebies. So adding the 2 types of wet wipes. This is a makeup removing wet wipes. Then